Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I will show you how to connect Trello to Zapier so you can automate your project management tasks and boost your productivity. Let's get started. Start by opening your browser and logging into your Zapier account. Once you are on the dashboard, click on the My Apps tab located on the left-hand side. And in the search bar at the top, type Trello and select it when it appears. Then click the Connect button to start linking your Trello account. A pop-up window will appear asking you to sign into Trello. Enter your Trello credentials and authorize Zapier to access your account by clicking Allow. Once connected, you will see a confirmation in Zapier showing that Trello is now linked. Now, you can start creating zaps that trigger actions based on Trello activities, like when a card is moved, created, or updated. If you ever want to disconnect or manage your Trello connection, simply return to My Apps section and make the changes there. And that's that, guys. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.